एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल आइज ऑन योर 96। आई एम हेक हियर। तो आज एक बिगिनर मेकअप लुक होने वाला है और एक बिगिनर को मैं बताऊंगी कि क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए होते हैं एक मेकअप लुक के लिए। तो उसके साथ ऑप्शंस भी रखी हूँ, मतलब हर एक प्रोडक्ट के साथ उसका दूसरा ऑल्टरनेटिव भी है कि आप इसके जगह ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। कोई बात नहीं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So I'm moisturizing with the L'Oreal Grapeseed Moisturizer and lip balm by Laneige or Laneige, and then going with the Color Bar primer, which is the silicone based. You have two options. You can use the Maybelline Master Prime too. And then I'm going with the Illuminator by Swiss Beauty, Golden Pink. And all the products will be mentioned in my description box. Do check it out. And then for dark circles, I'm using the NYB orange corrector under my eye, and green corrector on my acne, and then blending it out. And then I'm going with the concealer. You have two options here too. That's Maybelline Fit Me and LA Girl Pro, but I'm going with the LA Girl Pro and blending it out well with my with the help of my fingers. And also using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. You can go with the Super Stay one, but that's too heavy on me, so, and this is super light. And dotting all over my face and blending it with my brush. And for highlighting purpose, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and as an eyeshadow base, because I don't use an extra product for my eye like an eye primer or anything of that, and I'm blending it out well. And then I have two options for you guys. You can use the Makeup Revolution palette and the Maybelline Rock Nudes. I'm using the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm using the peach shade and then going with the brown and blending it out well. And then I'm going to place some glitter on my eyelid and blend it out well so that there's no harsh lines. And for eyebrow, you have two options like the Wet n Wild pencil and the LA Girl brow pencil. I'm going to use the LA Girl brow pencil, and that's my go-to pencil. I'm going to fill in my brow and brush it up too. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. You can use compact as well. So for contouring, there are two options like Maybelline Duo Contour and the Sugar Contour. I'm using the Sugar Contour and contouring my face. And for blush, the Maybelline Master Blush Palette and the Color Bar. I'm using the Color Bar one. So for mascara, the Maybelline Total Temptation and the L'Oreal one. I'm going to use the L'Oreal one, and trust me guys, L'Oreal False Lash Mascara is the best one. You can go ahead with eyeliner too, the Lakme and the Maybelline one, but I don't. So there are two liquid eyeshadows by Swiss Beauty. I'm using the Champagne one. So for highlighter, you have many options. Like if you love Champagne Gold, you can go with the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. If you love wet look on your face, you can go with the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. And if you love the balm texture, you can go with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Balm. And if you love liquid highlighters and silver tones, you can go with the L'Oreal and look at that glow. I'm going with a wet look and using Wet n Wild on my highest point of my face, like forehead, nose, brow bone. And for lipsticks, there are many options, like these starts from pink, L'Oreal Kufri by Nykaa, reds by Maybelline and Nykaa, browns by L'Oreal, Maple Mocha and Maybelline Nude Nuance. So I'm going to use Kufri by Nykaa. And I feel Kufri and I Represent by L'Oreal are one of the same. Like the shades are similar. So I'm setting with the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. And that's it, guys. I hope you love this video. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I gave you many options. You can either use this or that. It's up to you. So yeah, bye. Take care.